Today we're diving into the exciting world of fiber optic technicians and their salaries. Entry-level technicians can anticipate a yearly salary between $35,000 and $55,000, influenced by location and employer. So as a rookie fiber optic technician, you can expect to earn between $35,000 to $55,000 annually. Now let's look at what you can earn as a mid-level fiber optic technician. With some experience and extra responsibilities, you can expect to earn between $45,000 to $75,000 or more. Moving up the ladder, let's see the earning potential of an experienced fiber optic technician. Specializations like splicing, testing, or network maintenance can boost your salary. With expertise in specific areas, you can earn more than $75,000 annually, sometimes even well over $100,000. Several factors can influence a fiber optic technician's salary. Location, certifications, and specializations hold sway, as does the size and industry segment of your employer. So, keep in mind that your income as a fiber optic technician can be influenced by factors like location, employer, and your professional certifications. Remember, these figures are not set in stone. Salaries for fiber optic technicians can shift and regional variations apply. For the most accurate information, check recent salary surveys, job listings, or chat with similar professionals. Don't forget to consider bonuses, overtime pay, and benefits, which can significantly impact your total income as a fiber optic technician.